Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And keeping with our Black History Month theme, this week's quote is coming from Malcolm X. "You're not to be so blinded with patriotism that you can't face reality. Wrong is wrong, no matter who does it or says it." So I'm doing something a little bit different this week, you guys. I'm filming my intro first and then making the recipe, so even I don't know what it's gonna be like, which makes it exciting. Because today I'm bringing you a vegan red velvet cake shake. And I know, I want to know how it turns out too. So you know what we have to do. We just have to keep watching the videos. So let's get to it. But before you go, you already know, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.
All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is take your 1 cup of frozen cherries and your 1 cup of frozen strawberries. Add them to your blender, and then I'm going in with 1.5 cups of some oat milk. I think if I were to go back, I would probably use a fuller fat type milk, like maybe almond milk. And then I decided to use cacao, but you could also use cocoa powder. And then just going in with a 1/2 teaspoon of some vanilla extract. All right, so I'm just trying to mix it together so I don't get all the powder in the blades of my NutriBullet. And let me just say, I think I want a more chocolatey essence, so if I could go back, I would add some of those vegan chocolate chips into the blender. But you would do it this way and it'll still be popping. All right, so I'm just giving it a quick shake before I add it to my NutriBullet base, and then I'm just mixing until I have a nice, smooth, and even consistency. All right, just showing you what my consistency is straight out of the blender. Nice and full, nice bright color. And then I'm just adding it to a mug with some vegan whipped cream and some vegan chocolate chips. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.